As you know, the use of insecticides and pesticides is increasing in our daily lives. As a result, the fruits and vegetables that reach us have many harmful chemicals on them. That is why you wash all fruits and vegetables. But these chemicals are stubborn and do not get removed even after washing. Some vegetables can be cleaned by boiling. But what about those that are consumed in raw form, like grapes, apples, guavas, salad, tomatoes, chutney, etc.? How do you clean them? The presence of harmful chemicals on fruits and vegetables can lead to serious diseases like heart disease, skin diseases, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. So what would be the solution to get rid of these stubborn chemicals? Now Kent has introduced an innovative and revolutionary product, the Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier. It removes harmful chemicals and pesticides from fruits and vegetables and makes them completely pure. Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier produces the powerful ozone gas that easily cleans these chemicals and pesticides from them. Its O3 molecules react with and destroy all the chemicals, bacteria and other impurities present on the outer layer of fruits and vegetables, making them pure and bacteria-free. Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier is very easy to use. Just fill a bowl with water and put fruits and vegetables in it. Then insert the pipe of the Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier in the bowl and switch it on. Leave it on automatic mode for 15 or 30 minutes, depending on the requirement. Then wash the fruits and vegetables with pure water. Now your fruits and vegetables are completely free from chemicals and bacteria. This is not the only advantage. They will now stay fresh for a longer period, which means you can keep them in your fridge for a longer time. Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier not only cleans your fruits and vegetables, but it is also capable of cleaning meat and seafood. The method of cleaning remains the same as for fruits and vegetables. Similarly, place the meat and seafood in a bowl of water and insert the Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier's pipe in it. It cleans harmful pathogens like germs and parasites present in them within minutes. Even after having washed it with water, look at the impurities being removed by Kent Ozone Fruit and Vegetable Purifier. Thus, your meat and seafood become free of germs and also foul smell. And it costs only 6,000 rupees. Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier has no consumable part, which is why it is maintenance free. Purchase it once and use it for years without incurring any expenditure. For free demonstration, call today at 1-800-100-1000 or text KENT to 53636. A test was conducted by a world-renowned laboratory in which pesticides were sprinkled on fruits and vegetables. They were then cleaned with Kent Ozone Fruit and Vegetable Purifier. It was found that Kent's ozone technology cleans the harmful impurities by 80 to 97%. This was an actual proof of the power of Kent Fruit and Vegetable Purifier.
आपको पता है फलों और सब्जियों पर लगे इंसेक्टिसाइड्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स केवल धोने से नहीं निकलते।
ये जिद्दी केमिकल्स निकलते हैं केंट के वेज प्यूरिफायर से।
केंट की ओजोन टेक्नोलॉजी फल और सब्जियों पे लगे सारे केमिकल्स निकालकर उन्हें करती है 100% क्लीन।
तो आप केंट वेजिटेबल प्यूरिफायर कब ला रहे हैं?